Hi, it's Chef Rick, and today I'm making Madeleines.
Right, you actually do this bit a little bit later on, but I thought I'd better put it at the beginning of the video because there's no point even starting this unless you get these Madeleine moulds. They're about £6 on Amazon. Put some melted butter inside, dust some flour. Just doing it with my hands there, but you should dust it really. Knock them out, and that lines those moulds. So yeah, don't even start unless you've got those. Caster sugar, of course, all quantities down in the description below, and 3 eggs, and whisk those for about 10 minutes until the colour starts to change. You fluff up, it goes so much lighter. Obviously this is sped up so you really get to see it. It takes a little bit of patience. There you go, so it's all thickened up. Couple of lemons. We're just going to be using the fine grater and taking off the very outside zest. These happen to be lemon and poppy seed Madeleines, but you could use chocolate or just have them plain, however you like. Just sprinkle some flour in there. That was sifted before, but yeah, I should have really sprinkled that in there, would have been a little bit nicer. Poppy seeds, the lemon zest, and melted butter. Do the melted butter around the outside, don't pour it on top of everything, and then fold it all together, give it a really nice mix. We'll kind of keep folding it in on itself, keep it nice and light. These are really beautiful and soft and fluffy. So yeah, keep as much air in that as you can. Now you'd probably be, buttering the moulds that we did earlier on, because this is where we're going to fill them up. If you like these videos, please hit subscribe. If you're not subscribed, or just hit like, or leave a comment, or I don't know, yeah, engage in some way. Then these go into the oven. And there you go, they've had about 10 minutes in the oven. Lovely and warm, house smells amazing. Line them on rack, let them cool. Obviously I had to pinch one, and you'll see we had a visitor as well. The wife sneaking in for a Madeleine. Yeah, the extremely Moorish, soft, lovely, warm, little bit of citrus from the lemon. The poppy seeds are just, they're there, if you know what I mean. See how lovely and fluffy they were. They go quick, very, very, very quick, but you saw how easy they were to make. Like I said, the only thing that you're gonna need for this one is that mold. Get it from Amazon. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you on the next one.